Yeah, it's definitely a chainsaw. And it's like goes quiet, then it goes kind of loud, then quiet. Hmm.
Oh my, I don't even know, like, what?
Hmm.
Yeah.
I know. Maybe it's Ash. Who knows? I mean, I have a real chainsaw at my house, but it ain't running right now. That's for sure. No, hey, my fucking chainsaw running. Oh yeah, totally. Somehow I'm just sitting here still while starting it, even though I would have to go like this and pull the cord, which would be obvious. Yeah, somehow, some way. Yeah, yeah, that seems really
Also,
logical.
also I
Considering
have,
that it's consider it sounds the same every time too, like the rev pattern or whatever.
also it could be my keyboard. I have a setting on there with the chainsaw on it. No, I'm just kidding. I don't really have that.
Okay, I was gonna say what.
I don't know. I'm in the middle of downtown, so no.
Yeah, it's doing like the same pattern over and over, but it's been doing, and then it shuts off. Yeah, and then it stops there. See? Haven't you noticed that too? Oh,
Getting scared,
it's just making me
man.
laugh right now. It's like, cause what the fuck?
I'm getting scared.
Oh, I'm scared, Phil. Yeah, and the chainsaw in that game didn't sound like that.
Who's your good boy? Huh? Your good boy?
That's what I'm thinking. Like interference. Yeah.
I've never had that happen before.
No, me neither.
You remember when we were using Zoom and we got that little scribbly stuff on it?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I remember that. Hmm.
I'm surprised we didn't hear anybody talking on their end.
Yeah, I didn't hear any voices. Hmm. Oh, you hear it right now? I don't.
I hear, I can hear a faint echo. Yeah.
Huh? I don't hear anything. Yeah, now it's like quiet on my end here. I don't hear anything. Hmm.
I
No.
hear, I can hear it.
Was it just really quiet or something?
Yeah, it sounds pretty ominous in the background. Like, yeah.
Huh.
Oh my god.
I hear that.
Oh.
You hear that, right?
Yep. Did anyone just hear a voice?
Watch, it's probably gonna shut off again, right? Yep. Yeah, it's just repeating over and over. It's the same fucking loop thing or something.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it's the same sound. It's like, and then it shuts off at that same fucking point every time.